reported today in The Verge. Judge blocks NYC's law limiting Uber drivers cruising for new passengers. New York City's law to limit the amount of time Uber and Lyft drivers can spend cruising for passengers in busy parts of the city is arbitrary and capricious, a New York State Supreme Court judge ruled Monday. Last summer, the city's Taxi and Limousine passed rules requiring drivers reduce so-called deadheading, or the amount of time spent without passengers in the car, from 41% to 31% in Manhattan below 96th Street. The city said it was trying to reduce traffic congestion, which has risen in the years since ride-hailing took off. Uber sued to overturn the law, arguing it threatened driver pay and flexibility. In his ruling, Judge Lyle E took issue with the city's definition of cruising. He said there was no rational basis to calculate the time drivers spend looking for new passengers as part of the definition, and there was scant rationale for the city's choice of 31% as the target for deadheading. The ruling was the latest volley in the long-running battle between New York and app-based ride-hailing companies. The city has twice extended its cap on the number of Uber and Lyft vehicles permitted to operate within the city. A moratorium on new vehicle licenses now extends until August 2020. NYC Mayor Bill de Blasio has said that he wants to prevent Uber and Lyft from taking advantage of hard-working drivers, choking our streets with congestion, and driving workers into poverty. Uber and Lyft have been limiting drivers' access to the app in response to the anti-cruising rule. The company is locking drivers out during certain times of the day and in areas of low demand. Uber has accused the city of harming driver earnings and slashing service in low-income communities that are underserved by public transportation. "We are pleased that the court recognized that Mayor de Blasio's cruising cap is arbitrary," an Uber spokesperson said in an email. Uber remains committed to fighting for driver flexibility in the face of politically motivated regulations and to stand up for policies that actually combat congestion. A spokesperson for the mayor's office didn't immediately respond to a request for comment. For more on this story, visit the news article link.